Hello everyone, welcome back to the Smart English e-learning. Students, I hope you all are safe with your family. Today I am going to teach you the last poem of this term. Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. So, this is the poem about a grandmother and a child who talks to her grandmother affectionately, asking her to comb her hair. So, comb, what is meant by comb? So, comb means untangle or arrange the hair by drawing a comb through it. Okay. So, now let me read the poem. Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. You always take your time. You always take such care. You put me to sit on a cushion between your knees. You rub a little coconut oil, parting gentle as a breeze. Mummy, Mummy, she is always in a hurry, hurry, rush. She pulls my hair, sometimes she tugs. But Granny, you have all the time in the world. And when you are finished, you always turn my head and say, now who is a nice girl? So students, this poem was composed by Grace Nichols. So this beautiful poem brings out the sentiments of a little girl, and it brings a love and affection between a little girl and a grandmother. So students, as you know that grandmothers so very tender and caring, and we say, oh grandmother always shouting at me, she says don't do that, don't do this. Okay, but of course they have a soft heart for grandchildren. So here, granny means grandmother or grandma. So in the first stanza, Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. You always take your time. You always take such care. So in the first stanza, the little girl says, Grandma, please comb my hair. You always take care of my hair by combing and applying oil on them. You take care of me. You are such good. So such a good person. You always take out your own time. And you put me to sit on a cushion between your knees. You rub a little coconut oil, parting gentle as a breeze. So, here grandmother asks her to sit on a cushion. So, which is between her knees, between the grandma's knees. Okay, then grandma puts some oil on her palm, rubs each other, and her grandma apply coconut oil, and she makes massage. She massages her head. So here cushion means it is there here. You can see here. Okay, a soft pad or mat usually used for sitting or kneeling. Okay, so parting gentle as a breeze. It means smoothly, nicely with her fingers. Okay, she massages her head. She massages the child's head. So that becomes fine or fresh and active. And hair become healthy too. So you feel very nice and calm when your grandma or your father or mother did massage on your head. What do you feel? How do you feel? You feel very nice and calm, no? So same as here. Mummy, Mummy, she is always in a hurry, hurry rush. She pulls my hair. Sometimes she tugs. So in the third stanza, A girl is complaining about her grandma when she doing massage hurriedly, because you might have knew that grandmothers and grandfathers, so as soon as complete their work they move to another work. So whatever they involve in the work, they try to finish the earlier, okay, or work before the time. When her grandmother is in hurry, she pulls, the grandma pulls little girl's hair, even she tugs sometimes. So tugs means pull something hard or suddenly. Okay, the last stanza. But granny, you have all the time in the world, and when you are finished, you always turn my head and say, now who's a nice girl? So, in the last stanza, when grandma apply the oil on the girl's head, the girl feels very nice. We also feel fresh when we apply oil on our head. Correct? No? So, we also feel fresh and nice when we apply oil on our head, and our hair grow long and beautiful. So after finishing then what grandma says, grandma feels very happy. She feels always happy to take care of her grandchildren. So especially grandma takes care so much in the everybody's house, okay. And the girl will say, grandma, all the time in the world you have so much time for me to take care me. So after applying the oil, what does your grandma do? She turns your head towards her and say, who's this nice girl? So beautiful girl. So after combing her, you look so beautiful, isn't it? So when you make two ponies, when you are going to school, and after applying the oil and combing the hair, then grandma will turn your face towards her and say, who is this nice girl? Such a beautiful girl. Correct? No? So, children, tell your grandma to comb your hair, and you look beautiful and neat and tidy. So, children, I hope you have understood this poem. Try to read line by line and by heart it with the proper uh, pronunciation and intonation and with a proper stress. Okay. Here we can see two pairs of rhyming words. So they are hair, care, one pair. Hair, care, and another one, knees, breeze. Knees, breeze. Okay. So how many? Here we can see two pairs of rhyming words. Okay, students, have you understood this poem? I hope you all have understood this poem. Granny, granny, please comb my hair. Thank you.